Renewable Energy Expo.
Very good morning. Myself Sampath Kumar from Festa Solar. I am the CEO of this company and we are glad to participate in this expo. And we are a very new company into the market. Last year we have started and we participated last year expo and this year we have participated. It's one of the very good show in South Indian market and it's giving a lot of visibility and opportunities to all the newcomers as well as the existing industry professionals, and it's one of the excellent shows which is in South India, and it is giving a lot of hopes to the young budding entrepreneurs as well as for the industry. So I can see a lot of new interesting products which is shown in this expo, which is energy storage, which is an upcoming products as well as the upcoming technologies. So as a company we have exhibited a lot of new products where we have got Adani DCR panels with us, we have got day inverters with us, and we have got both hybrid, on-grid as well as energy storage products, and this one. As a expo, I would recommend each and everybody have to come and participate, and this is wonderful show, which is given to the South Indian market and for all the South Indian customers. It's one point of a show where all the solar needs can be addressed. So thanks for coming.
6th edition of Renewable Energy Expo, 8th, 9th and 10th February 2024, Chennai Trade Center.